Polling is underway for assembly elections in Himachal Pradesh. Voting, which began at 8 a.m., will continue till 5 p.m. The assembly elections will decide the fate of 412 candidates, including 24 women for 68 seats. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday said India is fast becoming the preferred investment destination for investors across the globe. Prime Minister Modi highlighted that India has become the focal point of new ideas, new solutions, and speedy development. Public Service Broadcasting Day is being observed on Saturday. The day is celebrated every year to commemorate the only visit of Mahatma Gandhi to the studio of All India Radio, Delhi in 1947. India's industrial output, as measured by the Index Industrial Production, grew 3.1% in September, supported by a double-digit increase in electricity generation. Indian boxers Lovlina Borgohain, Parveen Huda, Sawati and Alfia Pathan claimed gold medals at the Asian Championship in Amman, Jordan on Friday.